In a recent ZANU-PF Politburo meeting held on July 24, 2024, President Emerson Mnangagwa firmly rejected calls for a third term in office. Emphasizing the need for discipline and respect for the party's constitution, Mnangagwa made it clear that leaders must adhere to the stipulated two-term limit. This comes amid rising tensions, with war veterans accusing the government of silencing dissent and manipulating the judiciary. The cancellation of their meeting, where they plan to discuss the 2028 elections, has only fueled these accusations. Mnangagwa also criticized the delay in creating a comprehensive party membership database, calling for urgent action. With growing dissent and a fractured opposition, Zimbabwe's political future remains uncertain. Stay tuned as we continue to follow these developments closely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.